morning, my name is Francesca Morancaiza and this is my oral English exam. Let's start. One question. Where do you usually go to buy food? I usually buy food in the city's market and supermarkets such as Comisariato, Tutti, and Guaraki. Two questions. How often do you buy food? Sometimes. I usually buy food. Three question. What do you usually have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? I usually have toasted bread with cheese for breakfast. I usually have soup and salad for lunch. I usually have fried chicken with salad and rice. Fourth question. How long is your lunch break? Because it like 15 minutes. Because I wash my hands and go get my glass of water. Fifth question. Where do you usually have lunch? I usually have lunch in the living room with my mother. Sixth question. What can and cannot people eat or drink when they are on a diet? They can eat greasy food and drink a lot of sugar. They can eat salads, brunch, and fruits. Thank you.